Hey, this is Ray with Ray's Engines. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What we're talking about today is how to clean injectors, fuel injectors. Simplest, cheapest way you can do it, most efficient way. You don't have to go buy expensive tools, expensive hardware, nothing like that. This is just a turkey injector, that's all it is. Simple rubber hose that fits right here, fits tight. And all you need is your injector that you're going to clean. You need a battery. I'm using a car battery. You can use just a small square 12-volt battery will work. Whichever battery you want to use, it'll work. So all you're going to do is put your injector on here. In fact, this is an LS injector. This is for this 4.8 turbo build that I'm doing. This is just a stock injector. I'm just cleaning them just to get the engine running. And then I'm going to put the 80-pound to 100-pound injectors on it after that. But I'm just showing you how to do an injector, how to clean it real quick. So all you just put that on there, make sure it's tight. That way it doesn't leak. Make sure this end is tight. Again, this is just an injector for turkey. And here's the deal. And what I use is I use brake cleaner. You can use carburetor cleaner. I just like brake cleaner because it does clean better. So all you're going to do is put fluid in here. What I do is I just go halfway. That's a little bit more than half. And then you just put your, and there it is. And then I'm going to put the 12 volts to it, and you're going to see brake cleaner come out. As you can see, it's coming out. You can do it just like that, so you can make sure it's all coming out. And you can keep it constant. You can keep going back and forth until you run out of brake cleaner in it. And just like that, that's how you're cleaning your injectors. And once it's out, you're done. And you just remove your injector, go to your next one. Simple way to clean injectors. Most efficient. I mean, it's efficient. It's least expensive. If you don't want to go buy expensive tools, machines, and so on, this is the simplest way to do it. You can clean all your injectors and it'll run fine. I've done it this method. It's just simple for me. I've done it, run the engine, and it runs great. So again, if you're not a subscriber, go and hit that subscribe button. I do these videos just to show you and teach you on things that you can do at home for your engine building, muscle cars, whatever you have going on. So we'll see you on the next build. Thank you.